In affiliate marketing, there are so many ways to make them dollars. One of the biggest ways to lose money is to run ads. They go broke super fast due to promoting products without getting any sales or very minimal sales. In this video, I'm going to show you, who me? Yes, you, how to pick the right product so that you don't have a big fat zero within your bank account, aka without going broke. I've had the grueling opportunity to paint my house. That was the worst decision I could have ever made. It took me hours. I didn't want to do it. I literally watched paint dry. It sucked. I could not rush the process. It just annoyed me so much. But then I got smart. Even though it took me hours, I hired somebody else to do it because I wanted to go get some sleep instead of staying up till 3 a.m. in the morning. And they knocked it out in half the time. I asked them, hey, what was the secret? Why did it take me hours upon hours, and it only took you a short amount of time to do the same job? I know you're an expert and everything, but what is the deal? And the painter told me, you weren't using the proper tools because there were certain corners, special edges, all of these things mounted to having special tools in order to make the job shorter. In this video, my job is to equip you with the correct tools so that you don't lose money running your Google Ads campaigns. I've been there and I've done that. So trust me, I understand. The problem is not just the funnel, it's not just an ad, but when you actually sell the product to make the commission, how do you become profitable? You don't want to spend $500 in order to make $300, correct? Because then you're in a deficit. Well, beyond optimizing, beyond other things so that you're within profit fairly quick, here are 3 things that you need to know in order to not go broke. This first one may sound stupid. In fact, I may even offend you by giving you this first one. The first one is determine your budget. Yes, determine your budget. The reason this is so important is because if you have a set number in mind, you're not going to go beyond that limit and you're not going to be tempted to test something that is not working. So many times I've ran ads on many different platforms and I tried to make the product work. We're going to get into that part later on, but I tried to make the product work and it did not go well. I lost all types of money trying to make a product work. I'm going to give you a hint here. I'm going to save your life. The more that a product costs, the more that you need to spend in your ad spend in order to make that convert into a sell or commission. So for example, John Crestani's product that's been on Clickbank forever is like $1,000, $800 to $1,000, somewhere around there. You're not going to make a sell spending only 25 bucks. You may be a unicorn and you may get that sell in the first day spending only $25, but that is not the norm. My rule of thumb typically does not require that. And this happens because it is a higher commitment upon the customer. They're not just spending $7 from Warrior Forum. They're not just spending $57 from a Digistore product. They're not just paying a $27 per month fee for whatever it is. They are looking to spend $1,000. So best believe it is going to take you some time in order to find that perfect customer in order to spend that amount, okay? Now with that said, I recently spoke about my specific criteria. That criteria, if it's $1,000, you have to be willing to spend up to 3x the amount of the cost of that product, okay? So John Crestani's is $1,000. You have to be willing to spend up to $3,000 to get that first sell. And this is without optimizing anything unless you have all the secrets, the keywords, the audiences and all that stuff. You can probably cut that in half. But if you're just starting from scratch, if you're spending 3x without the sell, then you need to kill it. I call this the 3x rule. The 3x rule, simply put, if you spend 3 times more than what the product costs, then you need to kill it. Stick with that. I'm going to save you a lot of money if you keep that in mind. If I just saved your life, I need you to drop some fire emojis down in the comments right now and let me know that I just saved a lot of time and effort when it comes to Google Ads. All right. Don't forget to hit that like button, the little thumbs up, and please subscribe to this channel. Hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you get notified every single time that I drop hot content like this. Because if I'm saving you money, this is free to you. Please help me out to help me grow my channel. All right, so continue watching all the way to the end because I got a bonus step for you as well. The next step, the next thing that I would recommend so that you do not go broke when running your campaigns is to pick something that is selling, something that is hot, something that is moving off the shelves very quickly. Why? Because we're looking for quick wins. We're looking for putting money in your pocket. We're not looking to do a whole bunch of optimization and all that stuff. They can spend tens and $20,000 and $30,000 per month if they want to. We don't want to spend that right off the bat until we start developing those six-figure months and everything. Okay, so how do you do that? You go to the platforms, you figure out what's selling. It's Gravity on Clickbank, it's the Heartbeat on Warrior Plus, it's rankings within Digistore. There's tons of ways to figure out what's selling fast. You don't want to play Superman here, okay? You don't want to save something that is dying. Trust me, that is how I lost a lot of money. I went on Clickbank, I found a product that looked cool for whatever reason, and I paid $7 for it, and I looked at the product and I was like, oh, this is really good. But it was on like the last freaking page of the whole marketplace, and it had like 0.00005 gravity. I was trying to save something that was dead. Do not do that, okay? Do me a favor, do not do that. If you're looking for more of a step-by-step direct process to finding winning products that sell fast, you can check this video right here. And I will go through, it's my video, of course, nobody else's. And if you follow that general rule in those videos, then you should be on your way to being a success in finding winning products. The last step, the last thing to make money with like Google Ads and Bing Ads and all that stuff, if you take this general rule, you're not gonna go broke, okay, until you become extremely profitable. What you'll do is you want to make sure that you break down your keywords into what's called ad groups. Okay, these ad groups are specific containers. This is important is because you're able to break down what's converting to a sale and what is not. You'll be able to do that very quickly instead of going through 1,500 keywords. I have a free course out there. You can check that description down below. If you're looking to get your first sale with paid marketing and Clickbank or any other product for that matter, if that is you, go ahead and sign up for that course right now. But one of the things I teach you is how to just grab a number of keywords up to 1,000, probably no more than 1,300 to 1,500, run the ad and get your first sale. This works extremely well. Sometimes it can take you up to 3 to 5 days to get your first sale. But again, you're depending on the platform to go through all of the information that you have so that you can create that sale. You want to, the better way of doing it, the more beneficial way of doing it, is breaking your keywords into certain containers, aka ad groups. Eliminate the things that don't work. Cut off the fat from the steak, the meat, the bones. If you're vegan, I don't know what you're going to cut the fat off, but you get my point. Or vegetarian, I don't know, vegan, vegetarian, whatever. Hopefully you're getting my point. I love cinnamon rolls, so then I got to cut the sugar off the cinnamon roll. But businesses have this down to a T. Do you know that Walmart does its market research before they even build in a certain location? If the market research does not make any sense, they are not putting Walmart in that specific location because they know it's not going to be profitable. So if Walmart is doing it, why can't you? I know that your business is small in comparison to a Walmart, but look here, you can be a Walmart. Do your market research, know your keywords, break them down into specific ad groups, eliminate what's not working, and scale from there. If you're looking for more information on how to do that, please go ahead and check my tutorial on that right here. I go through creating the campaign. I go step by step. I hold your hand, especially if this is the first time you're ever doing something like this, so that you don't get nervous. Watch that video and you should be satisfied with it. As I said, there's a bonus step, okay? Let's say you do all of that stuff correctly. You make a few sales, you're happy. You're actually trying to get extremely profitable, okay? Not just 1, 2, or 3 sales. You want to scale to like 10, 20 sales per day. How do you do that? My friend, there is something called conversion tracking. Conversion tracking is so that whenever you make the sale, it is reported back to your tracking software, because you want to track your clicks. I'm getting into some advanced methods here. You want to track your clicks. You'll be able to see what words are converting, from what platform, from what phone. We're getting into the nitty gritty, the in-depth information. Okay, you can only do this with conversion tracking, which involves a Google tag or a Google Pixel, however you want to put it. Essentially, it's a cookie. And so in order to do that, you have to watch the next video. And that video is coming up right here. And this is all things when it comes to conversion tracking. Watch it and you'll be good. So thank you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit your boy up. Let me know how everything goes. Please drop some comments down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to check all the free things that I got for you down below in the description box. I have a lot of free courses that I created for you, and I also have some great resources to help you scale your business to the next level. If you're looking to grow an affiliate marketing business online using free methods, and you don't want to use anything that I'm telling you about, use my recommended source, my #1 recommended source down below that helps me run my business on autopilot and can help you hit your 6 figures within 6 to 9 months. Or if you're looking to do something a little bit faster and you have a little bit of money to burn and you want to take paid marketing to the next level, hitting those $3,500 per week marks, check the link down below. See you guys later.